Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can create a subscribe button. So today I'm gonna tell you how to create a subscribe button or a subscribe link that you will send to the people, that people have to subscribe and then go to your page. So let me show you. So let's go to the screen. So I'll show you how to create that link. So we are on a screen right now. So let me show you how you can generate a link of your YouTube channel with a subscribe button on it, and it will land it like a subscribe button. When the user clicks on this link, and when the user clicks on that link, he have to subscribe, and then it will land it your YouTube channel page. This one. So this is your YouTube channel page, as you can see. You will send your YouTube channel like this. You copy this link and then you will paste like this. So this is your default YouTube channel page, but you want a subscribe button before it landed like this. So you have to make some changes like that. So let's do it. So simply just copy whole that link, and simply just copy whole link and then paste it in a notepad, and then you can see this is the generator link. You just simply replace view as a subscriber. Videos slash view as a subscriber. Replace this and simply paste this link over here. Paste this question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. So now it landed with a subscribe button. Now it will ask for the subscribe button. Now see it. When you paste this link, so it will ask for subscription confirmation. So it will ask for this channel subscription first, then you will land on your channel page, and that's how you will create a subscribe button link. So if you like the video, so please give the thumbs up. So see you in the next video.